The Golgi complex is a single membrane organelle represented by a system of dictyosomes. Each dictyosome is a stack of 10 to 15 flattened membrane cisterns. Let's consider two histological preparations of the same organ, the spinal ganglion. One of the preparations is stained with osmic acid and the other is impregnated with silver salts. In the case of osmic acid, the preparation is colored in various shades of gray. In the case of silver impregnation, the preparation is yellow-brown. Let's start with the preparation stained with osmic acid. Here you can see a low magnification of the spinal ganglion with clearly distinguishable bodies of neurons. That means nerve cells, in the center of which light rounded nuclei are visible. Dictyosomes are indistinguishable at low magnification. The bodies of neurons, the nuclei, the bodies, the nuclei, and now some dark short lines in the cytoplasm of neurons are clearly discernible. Let's move on to a high magnification. At high magnification, numerous curved or straight short lines and grains in the cytoplasm of neurons are clearly visible. These are dictyosomes. The second preparation is a spinal ganglion which is impregnated with silver salts. At low magnification, it is necessary to find the spinal ganglion, an expanded section of the preparation. That's how it should look. The neuron bodies, round-shaped, of different sizes and different color intensity, is clearly distinguishable here. Let's take a closer look at them. The bodies of neurons, the light nuclei inside, and the dark short lines in the cytoplasm of the neurons are already clearly visible. And now a high magnification. The body, the nucleus, and around of the nucleus in the cytoplasm are dictyosomes of the Golgi complex. As can be seen when comparing the two preparations, osmic acid clearly reveals a greater number of dictyosomes and in a larger number of neurons. This is due to the fact that osmic acid is lipophilic. Lipid membranes are at the base of dictyosomes. So, briefly about these preparations. Spinal ganglion stained with osmic acid, spinal ganglion impregnated with silver salts, the bodies of neurons, nuclei, dictyosomes of Golgi complex.